Hot damn, we're heading down to the brook trout hole. Falls River. Look out, Jimmy. The kids have already fished it, so who knows? You can hear the water flowing like Jimmy the Cricket. Billy! Jimmy! Hot damn, you can see the water's down there, boys. Oh, the brooks are the end. Who knows? Obviously, these kids caught one, hooked in the ones. Doesn't seem promising. Like came down last time, there was 6 trucks down here. Big Tim style. Heading down to the big hole. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to catch anything because some fine young kids that really like fishing are down here. Hot damn, we on the waterfalls. Woo! What of you, boys? What of you? We're heading right down here. I just figured I'd come down and take a quick peek at the waterfall action. Jimmy! Hot damn, it's dangerous down here, boys. Woo! And there's where we're going. Be careful. Danger, boys, danger. Whoa! Hot damn. What of you, boys? What of you? Big Tim Adventure! Where are the brooks? Holy moly. Get a couple of casts before someone else gets down here, boys. Look at the view. Hot damn, we on the water. Remember, you can almost crawl down here. I remember doing this as a kid. I'm getting a little old for this. Whoa, whoa, easy killer. I want to bounce off the rocks. You got to be careful, this stuff. It looks safe, but it's really not. It's slate and a little water. Boom, you're done. Hot damn, we on the waterfall. Look out, Billy. Maybe I'll get one out of here. They'll be in here sometimes. Oh boy. This could be the hole. Let's try it. Yeah, brook trout. Oh, I got a little bite. Oh, not much one, but I don't know, boys. Brook trout. Yeah. Anyway. Whoa, oh, I got one. I have one. Oh, hot damn, I had something on it. Hot damn, there's something down there, boys. Whatever it was, it's nice. That won't happen again. All right, well, we had something on. We had something on. Probably a big old brookie. One more time. Well, there we are. We got one. Whoa, whoa, easy. We got one, boys. Nope, it's off. I'll tell you, I'm getting lucky. Guess it wasn't big. Sounds like it went fish the fall. All right. Here, fishy fish. The lure, boys. Hot damn. Try some other spot. Yeah, brook trout. Seems to be fished out. Hot damn, I hooked into a couple up top, but they're tough to get, boys. It definitely is fished out. I couldn't tell you where to get them at. It's going to be luck. Absolute luck to get one out of here, boys. Any type of fish out of here. Hot damn. Try to get down to them. Nothing. Skunk. Hot damn, there's no trout. Well, I got a few bites. Let's sink a little. Whoa. Get down low to the bottom. Where you at, fish? Hot damn, where the fish at? Not in here. And if they are in here, they're all fished out. God dang it. Hot damn. Big Tim Adventure. We're trying to find a brook trout. We got a couple of hits down by the falls, but nothing major going on. Probably won't get one, but we sure did try. Hot damn, where are the brook trout at, boys? Fall colors are coming in. A little bit. What a view. Hot damn. Come on, brook trout. Let me happen. Make it happen, brook trout. All right, well, it's Big Tim Adventure, and you can see the waterfall behind me right there, and we are gonna get a brook. I don't think so. It doesn't matter. We caught a couple, 3 days ago, what have you. It's Big Tim Adventure time. Hot damn. What a day. Okay, boys, this is the view. Spooky. I don't even see any pink salmon in. Oh well. It is what it is. Where's Coho Johnson? Man, it is hard to fish. Come on, big guy. Nope. Sometimes you gotta get to the top. But these aren't deep holes, so I mean, those are the best holes probably. Man, nothing. Well, those are the holes. Oh, there we go. Hot damn. We had a brook trout again. Hot damn. A little baby, but okay. That's a baby brook. See you later, buddy. All right, well, I think that's it. I'm gonna go check the waterfall out and maybe you get one in there, I don't know, and head back home. That's bad, eh? I've never seen. This is a waterfall I've never seen. It's beautiful. Oh, there's another brook trout hole maybe. 2 waterfalls coming in. Let's see. Usually just can't get them out of here. Too spooky. But you never know. Nope. Probably spooked the hell out of it. Alright, last hole for the waterfall. Whoa, here we go. Maybe I can get one out of here. Whoa, I got a hit. Man, I think the water's too cold. They're not really aggressive. These are babies. Real slow on the bite. Alright, well, we tried here, but I think that's a waste. Oh, something just went in. But the spinner ain't moving. It's hard to get them. I bet it'd be good in the summertime to come down here. Hot damn, well, that's it for me. There's the waterfall. Hot diggity dog. Okay, that's it. Big time fishing over. Damn, no bites, boys. Card's getting low. Memory's getting low. Hot damn, I don't get much more. I can do with this guy. Hot diggity dog. One of the last holes right here, boys. Here, Mr. Brook. Nothing. God dang, is this thing? Not even a little one. Alright, whoa, I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Hot damn. Well, I got a couple on. I guess that's better than nothing. One felt pretty good too, but they're slick little fish. Not even a fish yet. I only got those 2 bites. That's it. Hot damn. Oh well. Oh, this would be a perfect placement or what, but I'm not. Anyway. Just fished out. Fished out, Billy. It's a beautiful area, if nothing else. Nothing. Come on, Billy. Well, at least I had 2 fish on. Last time I didn't get nothing on it. So. Hot damn. Maybe it's in this little pocket. They will come out. Boom. They'll be in the weirdest areas. But I think it's just fished out. Kids got in there. Nothing even up there. I mean, it's a key pocket. Boom! Something should happen. I mean, boom! Oh well. We just fish on. Whoa. Well, I guess I gotta get this. I don't want to lose the lure. Ooh. Big Tim in action here. Oh, that gets stuck. I gotta get back out of here. Whoa. Not smart. Hot damn. Alright. I guess that's a sign of saying time to go. Hot damn, we on the gorge. I don't catch any brook trout. Hot diggity dog. Woo! Well, there's the gorge. They're probably down in there. Who's gonna fish down there? What are you, nuts? Hot damn. How'd you get one out of there? Fish in the gorge. That's insane. I'm sure someone's done this. Never done this before, but too hard to do that. All right, enough of that. Stupid thing. God damn it. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Last cast. Man, it's not biting. Man, 2 fish hits. Almost caught 2. I guess that's better than nothing. Hot damn, that's it. We gotta wrap it up. Big Tim adventure time. Hot damn, nothing. Whoa. I mean, nothing. Oh well. 2 bites. 2 fish on, that's it. I guess I should be happy. Maybe it's just bad. It's quiet too, you know. Something ain't right here. All right, Big Tim adventure. Hot damn, I'm not getting the fish. What else the fuck? I don't know what else to do, man. It's getting big in my range. Maybe they're right here. Yeah, get them in the rapids. Right. Nothing, boys. No fish today. Hot damn, that's the way it goes. Time to head home. Woo! Yeah, we tried. Tried to do a Big Tim adventure. Big Tim, no fish. Hot damn, I'm tired. Well, what a beautiful area. Nothing else. Sometimes it's just about the area, not about the fish. Really quiet too. That means something's up, boys. Hot damn.